Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever found yourself struggling to keep track of your stuff? Maybe you run a small business and need a better way to manage your stock, or you're just tired of hunting for that one specific tool in your garage. If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the world of no-code app development with Google's AppSheet, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to build a simple yet powerful inventory management system. No coding experience? No problem. AppSheet lets you turn your data, like a Google Sheet, into a fully functional mobile app. We'll be starting with an AppSheet template, which is like having a head start in a race. It gives us a pre-built structure that we can customize to fit our exact needs. We'll learn how to add new items, track quantities. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working inventory app that you can use on your phone, tablet, or computer. So, let's get started and turn that chaotic inventory into a streamlined system. First of all, you have to open your browser and sign up or sign in to Google AppSheet to get started. Search for AppSheet on your browser. Click on Get Started to sign up if you are new to AppSheet, or click on Sign In if you have an existing account. You can sign up with many choices such as Google, Microsoft, Apple, Dropbox, Smartsheet, Box, and Salesforce. In this case, I use Google or Gmail because I'm using Chrome browser from google.com. Make sure you sign your email into your browser. Click Continue. Click Allow to allow Google AppSheet to access to your Google account. Now you get into AppSheet Work Area, which allow you to create and customize the apps. In my AppSheet, I've already had a few apps from my last build. Click on Create to start building your app. Click on App. In this case, you can choose to build your app from a blank app, but I choose to start with a template because it helped me a lot and save a lot of time to build the app. In AppSheet App Templates, there are 100 of app templates which help you easily build any type of apps. In this case, I choose Simple Inventory to build a simple and basic inventory system. Click Preview to see App Sample. So now you can see what are in app, items, inventory log, and levels. In this app template, you can customize and change anything you want. Items menu is to show a list of the items in the system with item name, image, and descriptions. Inventory log is show the adding and removing stock or stock tracking. This is show the item's name, date, time, and number of adding and removing stock. Levels is to show the number of items available in stock, which is help you easily manage items in stock. This is also send you a message to your email inbox to remind you when the item in stock is under limit. Click Copy and Customize to start customize the app. Change the app's name to what you want. Click Copy App. So now you can see the app, and you can start customize the app to what you need. You can remove these items if you don't need, and then add your item into the system. Now I'm going to add an item to test the app. Now one item is added. Now I'm going to add this item to stock. In Levels menu, we can now see one more item is added. You can also preview your on desktop mode and tablet mode because AppSheet allow you to use the app on mobile phone, tablet, and computer. Now I'm going to remove these items and add a different type of items. When you remove the items from the menu item, the inventory logs seem to be in error because there is no item in the list. So what you need to do is you also need to remove item from the inventory log as well as the item menu. Go to your drive to see what happened in your app database. Google Sheet is the AppSheets database and it is stored in your Google Drive when you're building an app. Click on My Drive to find Apps folder. Then click on AppSheet to open the folder. Click on Data to go next, then look for your app's name. In this case, I name my app as ABC Inventory System. Then click on your apps folder. You will see a Google Sheet named as Items. Then double-click on it to open. You will see an empty sheet in Items table with its headers and another table called Inventory. Now it's time to remove data from Inventory table. Select Data and then remove them. Now go back to AppSheet to see what happened. You will still see the data on the app, so what you need to do is refresh the browser or refresh app. Now you will see everything is empty. Now start adding new items into the system. After adding new items to the system, now it's time to add those items to stock. Click on Add, then add each item to stock. On field Amount, you can put number of adding items to stock or remove items from stock. After adding all items to stock, in Levels menu, you will see the number of items in stock. It shows you the stock available. We can also change the app logo. To do that, go to UX tab. Go to Brand. Then you can choose light mode or dark mode for your app. You can change app's color. On App Logo, you can change the logo for your app. You can use or upload your company logo. You can also change launching image for your app. In Behavior tab, this app is already created an action for log inventory change. In Automation tab, it has also created a bot for stock available. This is for when stock available of an item is below threshold, send an email to the users. So here you can change your threshold for stock availability. You can add users' email to send it to when stock available is below threshold. Click Save to save your changes. Now I'm trying to remove some items from stock to see what happened in Levels menu. Now it works well. You can total stock available is decreased. So now I'm going to test another item. Now I'm going to test the app in tablet mode and computer mode. Great. Now go back to mobile mode. Now you can share your app with other users. Thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial helps you with your work. And please click subscribe to watch my further videos.